So far for kitchen items, I have this thing here, this jar. I do like to drink out of jars, but I, for some reason, don't like this one. I think it's because when it's time to clean it, I don't like these sharp corners. So that's getting out of here. And this is very small, doesn't really hold much anymore, so my kids can't eat from this. Nobody else, none of us can, so this is going to be donated to the Goodwill. It still works very nicely. So I'm going to find 3 more items in the kitchen. Hopefully not food items. If it is, it will be cans. But I think I cleared out all our cans. So I'm going to find 3 more items for the kitchen. Okay, here we go. We have a NutriBullet, so nobody uses this old dirty blender. Ugh, this thing is disgusting. Goodbye. And on top of that, I think this is cracked. Yes, there's a crack here. Getting rid of this thing here. Oh my goodness. Such unused stuff. This is like one of those little strainer things. I think we'll keep this for now. It's this salad cutter. Stuff. This has to go. You put this inside of here, and you use this to kind of cut stuff, and then this one fits in there. So these 5 items are going out. Now from the dining room, this is going to be a little bit harder to do. The only clutter I have is in these drawers here. So I'm going to take 5 items, probably from any of these drawers here. Everything else is pretty minimal. So here we go. This is getting out of here. I haven't used these little bowls in forever. I don't really see use for that, so I'm gonna put these in our pile. And I'm gonna get rid of these coasters. Nobody uses those, and I'm not particularly fond of the sayings on here. So those are going. So that's technically 5 things, but because it's like a set, I'm getting rid of this too. And this too can go. Alright, so technically these are more than 5 items, but because this is a set and these are like a set, I'm counting this as 1 and 1. So 5 items from the dining room, getting out of here. This clock doesn't even work. I think it's really cute, and I had it on my mantle at one time, but it was from the Goodwill originally, and it's going back to the Goodwill. Somebody might be able to get it to work. The living room is pretty much nicely decluttered, so the items that came mostly from out of here, besides this CD, this wedding album CD, that's item number 1. And then this is a tape. Nobody listens to these. The other thing I found is this 2003 baby calendar. Not sure why this is laying around. And then there's these 2 books. We have plenty of books in here, but these 2 seem to be out of interest at this time. So this Animals on the Farm and this dinosaur book. Do you want this dinosaur book? Are you interested in this still?
No.
Okay, so there's that. So these 5 things from the living room are on their way out the door. All right, but in the bathroom here, the only thing where we're gonna find anything is in this closet. So let's see what has to go. This is all like cleaning products and stuff, plant stuff, you know, random miscellaneous things. So, ooh, this is going. Some random wallpaper. This here, scented soap petals. Goodbye. This is like one of those globes that goes over a pendant light. 2 random old school colognes. These might have belonged to my son at one point, but he definitely doesn't wear that. That's out of here. And then this just in here, that's getting out. So from the bathroom, I have these 5 things here. I'm counting that as a set. And now I'm in another bathroom, getting rid of this neutralizing shampoo because I don't relax my hair anymore. This is a relaxer bucket. This is some shave gel and it's empty. I'm getting rid of these 3 flosses. We have plenty of flosses, plus I like the dental sticks. And these all have the exposed floss. For these 3, the floss is visible, which means that bacteria can be getting in, so I'm not interested. And I'm counting these 3 things as 1. And these are some floss sticks that helps kids to floss, but we have the dental sticks, so we don't need those. That's 1 item. There we go, 5 more things from this bathroom. These are my 5 closet items from my closet that have to go. This is a bag. Who makes this thing? It doesn't even matter. I never use this bag. It has to go. This belt, I'm not feeling these 3 colorful things here. Getting rid of this hat, I haven't worn in years. I tried to make something like a hat-like thing to be almost, because I wear hats to church, so I was trying to be creative with this and it didn't come out good, so I'm gonna start that over. I'm gonna do something, but this was not working. And this is a dollar store, Dollar Tree headband, and it's not tight. It doesn't do anything. It's on the brink of breaking, but it's also not form-fitting at all. And lastly, I have this blazer right here. This is a cropped blazer. It's really cute, but it fits too snug. It's too tight in the arms and it's way too short. It kind of feels like it's made for a very, very petite woman or almost like a child. So it looks ridiculous, I think, on me. That's going. So here are my 5 items from the closet. I'm pretty up to date on my kids' toy inventory, but their clothes, I need to start checking things over for the new season. And clothes are the only thing I really need to give away for my son. These are all shirts that are like size 5, 6, pants that are size 5. These are definitely too small. He's going to be 7 this year, so these things have to go. And for my daughter's room, these 5 things need to go. 3 dresses, a sweatshirt, and a t-shirt. From my bedroom, I found some items. I got this hat box full of curtains. I probably will keep the hat box, but those curtains have to go. Then I have this old phone case. This still fits my current phone, but this part just falls out and it's annoying, so I never use that. This is a little old thing of edge control. This is, I don't even know what happened to it. Found this old lip gloss. And here, I'm gonna get rid of this camera. I have no use for it whatsoever. It takes 4 batteries, regular AA batteries, and I'm never gonna use this again. These are the 5 items from my bedroom that are getting out. I did a good amount of decluttering in my office recently, but I'm still able to find 5 items to get rid of. I found these garbage bins. These are from the Dollar Tree. I returned a lot of stuff to the Dollar Tree not too long ago, but I've already taken the tags off of this and I know they're not going to take it back. Can't do anything with those. This is some little plastic pieces from a dream tent that my kids had. The dream tent is gone. That somehow managed to still be here. This is one of those things from the Dollar Tree also. I think this is like one of those book holders, or you can put a picture in there or something. These were left over from a project that I did probably like 2 years ago now. My reindeer project. I think it's been 2 years, but I saved these thinking that I would find something to do with them, and I haven't so far, so they're getting out of here. This is a mirror. This is upside down. I took it out of an oval frame thinking I could reuse it, but I haven't. The edges are just really jagged and sharp. It looks worse on the other side, but I don't want to flip it over because the reflection is going to be too strong. But these are the 5 items from the office.